Good morning, Manish ji.
Good morning, ma'am.
Please start.
Just one second. Yeah. My screen is visual to everyone.
Yes,
Yeah.
visible.
Yeah. The good morning, everyone. And Nupur ma'am. Today we have the topic IPO, Public Initial Offer Analysis. Whenever you have seen or you have watched any news, if this company has issue IPO, so we have there is a something comes in our mind whether we have to purchase IPO or not, because purchasing of IPO is very good. Reason is that today they are offering in around 100 rupees, might be possible after 15 to 20 days when it will be listed on a stock exchange. Might be possible this amount listed will be 110 rupees, 120 rupees, 150 rupees, or even sometime it's go down. But mostly we have the belief if company is very good, promoter is very good, so listing price will be above IPO price. Okay, so we have to find out whether whenever any company has issue IPO, so on which parameter we have to see, we have to think whether we have to purchase IPO or not, or we have to wait till waiting. So it means we have two options. One option, like ABC Limited company has issued IPO. So now we have whatever we have money like 10,000, 20,000, 1 lakh, 2 lakhs, 5 lakhs, whatever we have free money, we can invest, or we can wait for the next 15 days. Once it will be the listed on a stock exchange, then we can see the real performance of company, and after that we will purchase. Might be possible we can purchase above IPO, we can purchase above IPO price. It both way can happen. So today we will see what is the parameter. So before starting my session, so anyone who has invested into IPO ever, whether it is the last month, 1 year back, 2 years back, yeah, last 5 years, 10 years. So you have purchased or you have invested into IPO on basis of the other view, like पापा ने बोल दिया या फिर my friends has told, or we have seen on any news channel कि it is very good IPO, that's why we have invested. So what is the reason if you have invested, if you have not invested, or you have any view regarding IPO, so please tell so I can understand how much knowledge you have, and according to that I will explain, I will go ahead my session. So anyone, whether it is a Minaji, Vasantji, or Nupur ma'am, anyone.
हाँ 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 यही है, ठीक है। हाँ
Menuji, you have any idea regarding IPO? Okay, let us start. If you don't have so much idea, or you are not, you cannot comment on this topic, so let us start. So first of all, whenever any company has offer IPO, public initial offer, so we have to find out 3 to 4 things. First, company detail. Who is promoter, when company has incorporated, and what is the product of company. So that we will provide the whole and sole idea of about the company. We will discuss each and everything in a detailed manner. Then financial. In financial, we have to find out, we have to see profit and loss account, we have to see balance sheet, we have to see the cash flow. Like in profit and loss account, we will see this company has increasing sale in the last 1 year, 2 years, 3 year, or decreasing sale. Okay. Or in case of net profit, whether it is increasing way, or whether it is a decreasing, or whether it is a constant. According to that, in balance sheet, we will find or we will analyze what is the cash flow. Cash flow is means whatever the money they have sold, whatever the goods had they have sold or they have received into cash or bank, or they have make payment for regarding uh, factory or salary or any kind of the expenditure. Apart from that, if they have the some surplus, so that is called surplus cash flow. If any company has a surplus cash flow, it is a good sign. Or if they have the some negative thing, then it is a bad scenario. So we will discuss each and everything in detail. And most important thing, IPO lots. IPO lots means when any IPO is coming, so then it will not come as the you can buy one share, because one share price is the 100, 200, 500, 1000, 2000. Maximum price is the 1000 approx in the IPO. So they don't offer for the one share. They say you have to buy at least 5 share, 20 share, 30 share, 50 share. It means suppose that my share price is the 100 rupees, or company is saying you have to purchase 10 shares lot. It means at a one time I have to invest at least 1000 rupees. If I want to purchase one share, so I cannot buy one share, I have to buy lots. So in lots, one 100 rupees IPO price, and in one lot there is the lot of the lot size is the 10 shares. Then I have to invest at least 1000 rupees, or I want to invest 6 lots, 7 lot, or suppose that I have 5 to 6 family, like my parents, my brother, my sibling, my kids, or I know okay, this is a very good company, so I have invested in every name. Like मैंने wife के नाम पर भी I have claim for the 1 lot or 2 lot, अपने नाम पर भी 2 3 lot कर दिया, mother father. Okay, so it means my at least 20,000, 30,000, 80,000 rupees will be blocked. So that we have to see what is the IPO lot and how much money I can invest, I can block. Reason is that today is the IPO date and it will be listed after at least 15 days. तो मेरा जो 15 डेज का वो जो लाख रुपया 50,000 2 लाख है, that will be the block. I cannot withdraw. Once I will not, if I got shares, then वो तो शेयर्स में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. If I didn't get the shares, then वो पैसा फिर रिफंड होता है. It will again take 2 days, 3 days, 4 days. Okay, तो 15-20 दिन आपका पैसा ब्लॉक हो जाता है. That we have to find out कि what is the IPO lot or how much amount I can invest. Now, company future plan. What is the company has the future plan? Suppose that we are aware if this company has the future plan. Now they are producing around 1 lakh uh, laptop, and um, um, they have form, or they have the infrastructure to uh, create or to assemble 2 lakhs laptop. It means the company has a future growth. So we have to see company detail, financial detail, IPO lots, and future plan. So every aspect we will uh, see, and we will discuss each and everything. And whenever you have the any doubt, you can unmute yourself, or you can ask him, Manish, I'm not getting your this point. What is the meaning of this, etc. All those things. So in IPO, as I have told, whenever you have seen any IPO, then there is only two things in your mind: whether I can purchase or I have to wait till listing. So before taking decision, purchase or listing, first of all, you have to see your budget, whether you have the budget or not, whether you can block your money for the 15 to 20 days or even the 1 month. If you have the free size, you have the free money, you have a floating money, and you can invest at least for the 1 month, then you can invest into the IPO. First thing. Second, now you have analyzed, you have the free money of 1 lakh rupees, and there is no need of this 1 lakh rupees for next 1 month, then you are eligible for IPO. Now a question arises ki in every month there is a 2 3 IPO, or in a whole year at least around 50 company they are coming as the IPO. Whether I can invest each and every company? My answer is no. You have to wait and watch, you have to analyze. You can invest into 2 3 company, 4 company, or maximum you can assume in 1 month, if 4 to 5 company is coming, the maximum one company you can invest. Reason is that you have to understand, you have to study whether this company is good or not, and what is the prospect. what is the future plan, because uh, understanding or making awareness is a very important thing, because you have heard about LIC, you have heard about Paytm, you have heard about Zomato. LIC IPO has come around 960 970 rupees, or ask tak in the today's scenario, they that price has not achieved. It is around 500 to 700K around में IPO LIC price is going on, but they have never achieved 970 rupees, which was the public initial offer. According to that, in the Paytm or in even in the Zomato, whatever they have the IPO price, one it was they have the increase 5 to 10%, and after that it has never uh, touch there the IPO price. So this is the scenario where you have to think, yeah, I have to purchase IPO or I have to wait till listing. So this is the one thing. And as being the financial doctor, whether I am or whether you are, you have to assess before buying any IPO. So that every parameter we will see what is the parameter, and start uh, blue jet healthcare IPO has been closed. So we will take in the general, and I will also give the example of the blue jet, so you can comparison, you can understand in better way what we have to see in IPO thing. First of company fundamental. मतलब who has formed, मतलब whether it is the Tata group, whether it is the Ambani group, whether it is the Adani group, whether it is the Birla group, or it is the very known company. Suppose that any investment is made or any company is coming as the IPO, and you are aware that it is the backed by Tata group, it is the backed by Reliance group. So might be possible you can consider for the बाइंग आईपीओ. रीजन इज दैट कि उनका जो पीछे का बैकग्राउंड है, दे हैव द वेरी गुड fundamental, they understand business, they can run business very good. Yeah, it's happened in the very good company like Reliance company, they have the some failure of the IPO, like Reliance Power is the failure, okay, but 90% or 95% is the good company, only 5% is the bad. But in case of they don't have any fundamental, they don't have the any history. Suppose that any company has been formed only 5 years back, 6 years back, 7 years back, and they have come as an IPO, then they don't have the trust factor. So this that you have to think whether company is working for the 5 to 10 years, 20 years, 60 years, 80 years, or this company has been formed like 2 years back, 5 years back, 10 years back, or whoever the founder, so what is the their history, what is the credential of that promoters. Face value premium. Suppose that your share value is the 2 rupees, 1 rupees, or 10 rupees. Okay. So they don't offer on the face value. They offer on the, they will say my issue price is the 90 rupees, 200 rupees, 360 rupees, 900 rupees. Just in case of LIC, it was the 960 rupees was the IPO issue. Okay. And they have the face value of the 10 rupees. So around 950 was the premium. It means कि 10 रुपए का चीज आपने 960 में परचेज किया, तो यू हैव पेड द एक्स्ट्रा मनी 950 रुपीज. एवरी कंपनी is to IPO on the premium, that you have to find out whatever the premium you are paying, whether it is the acceptable, whether it is the good as per the company record or not. So that you have to understand. You have to know family owned business hai, or it is the promoter owned business like Tata groups, Reliance group, Birla group, all are the family owned business. Like उनका जो family business है 10 years, 30 years, 40 years, 60 years, 100 years back, and CMD or MD or owner can be only uh, uh, family head of that head of the family of that family. So nobody other can be managing director or chairman of that particular business. So you have to understand whether it is a family owned business or it is a promoter run company. Any change, like पहले ये suppose that कि now we are seeing the lots of the news कि this company has been purchased by the another company. Okay, Tata Group has purchased the any startup. So whether it is the running in the same promoter, same owner last 20 years, 40 years, 50 years, or there is a some change. Like last year, any big company has purchased anything. Then nature of business. What is the nature of business? Whether they are into the FMCG like biscuit, cold drink, beverages, chocolate, or they are into the stationery, they are into the garment, they are into energy. What kind of the nature of business? And you have to understand whether it is the running business or it is the some phenomenal. Like if you are investing into the FMCG, where you can buy chocolate, where you can see that this company is manufacturing chocolate, biscuit, any grains or anything related to food item, beverage item. So it is the ongoing process. This type of the company will never end up. Okay. So that you have to understand the nature of business. Suppose that any company is coming into IPO as the AI. AI company is coming, then it might be possible that AI is the big name in the right now. Might be possible after 5 to 6 year ऐसा वो जो सिनेरियो चल रहा है एआई का might be possible it can collapse. But biscuit, biscuit, chocolate, milk, कोल्ड ड्रिंक इट विल नेवर इन एनी मार्केट क्योंकि ये जब तक हम और आप हैं दिस मार्केट विल ग्रो अप. सपोज दैट एनी कंपनी इज कमिंग एट द क्लॉथ, शर्ट, गारमेंट, एनीथिंग. ओके. So this kind of the company will not, this kind of the sector will not end up. It company can be wind up, company can go in the insolvency or anything, but sector cannot be down. Okay, so that we have to understand what is the nature of company. And in last, price band. As I have told to you, कि 1 rupee share is coming 350 rupees, 380 rupees. So what is the price range? कि 350 to 380 कितने पर मिल रहा था? That is the price range. Now, as our IPO date is only for the 3 days or 4 days. That suppose that on Monday there is the one more IPO is coming, Cello World, and yesterday one IPO has been closed. So suppose that you want to invest into the IPO. Suppose that today I have told to you कि Cello World is coming at the IPO, and you think कि चलो ठीक है यार कल सोच लेते हैं, and you have given the 2 or 3 days to thinking, IPO will expire. Then you have to take the quick decision, or you have to see on the Bombay Stock Exchange कि अगला 2 महीने में कौन कौन सा IPO आने वाला, उसका पहले से आप आरएनटी करके रख लो. So that when the IPO will come, because IPO comes only for the 3 days, तो वहां पर you have not to take the decision, you have not to wait. बस IPO आया और पैसा इन्वेस्ट कर दिया. Suppose that next 2 month में you are thinking, अरे यार one IPO is coming, it is very good, but their lot size is the 5 lakh rupees. तो सबसे पहले आपको 5 लाख का भी इंतजाम करना है. You have to manage your 5 lakh rupees. Then when it will come, suppose that it will come after 1 month. So that particular time you have the free 5 lakh rupees and you can invest. लेकिन अगर you are aware right now, or you have only 3 days, or you cannot manage 5 lakh rupees to invest into the IPO. तो वो IPO कितना भी अच्छा हो, whether it is very good, in spite of that, you cannot make investment. That we have to think. Now, as I have told yesterday, Blue Jet Healthcare IPO has been closed. So we have to see what is the fundamental. Blue Jet company has been formed in the 1968, and there the share price is the 2 rupees, but they have issued 346 rupees. It means 344 is the premium. That you have to understand कि 2 रुपए का चीज they are selling into the 346 rupees. So that is the premium that you have. Now you have to think decision कि whether I have to invest 346 rupees to purchase 2 rupees share or not. It is the family owned business. It is the Aurora family business, and everyone in the family, like parent, uncle, and their son, is the working in this company. And in the 2020, they have changed name. Before that, they have the only name the Jet Pharmaceutical Company, and now in the 2020, they have the change name of the Blue Jet. But family is the same, or it is that they are doing the same kind of the business. It is a pharma related company. As you know, you and me are a human being. Everybody need medicine. Everybody needs some pharmaceutical things. Okay, so this kind of the sector will not end up. And when the company is working 1968, मतलब आज से तकरीबन 40 60 70 सालों से if company is the working, so I assume कि this company will not in one year, 2 years, 3 years. It means we can go, but whatever the I'm taking the name, it doesn't mean that this is the my personal opinion. You have to buy. Just I'm saying that this you can think like that. If this is the 60 years old company, then it is there is the possibility that we can buy, we can think. But it is not my personal opinion to you. You have to think. You have to apply your mind. And price band is that the price band of the blue jet is coming 329 to 346. Maximum price is the 346, but price band is the 329. Maybe there is some possibility you can buy. But ये होता क्या है कि when it is the over purchase, like उनको पता है कि there is the equity share only 1000 they have to issue, but उनके पास 5000 का application आ गया. Okay, they got the application of the 5 times, 10 times, 20 times. तो वो हायर प्राइस पर कर देते हैं. वंस दे डोंट हैव द सच काइंड ऑफ द एप्लीकेशन, देन वो लोअर प्राइस पर करते हैं. तो दैट दिस इज द प्राइस बैंड. So that you have to understand, that you have to understand. Okay. Now, and IPO date was the 25 October to 28 October, जो already has been crossed. Again, second thing, we have to see the company financial, where we have to see the last 3 years में sales क्या है, व्हाट इज द पीई रेशियो के प्रॉफिट अर्निंग रेशियो के एक शेयर कितना पैसा अर्न कर रहा है. देन वी हैव टू सी द क्वार्टर सेल कि लास्ट क्वार्टर में क्या, व्हाट वाज द लास्ट क्वार्टर सेल, लास्ट क्वार्टर सेल, लास्ट 5 to 10 क्वार्टर में व्हाट वाज द सेल, वेदर इट इज इंक्रीजिंग और वेदर इट इज डिक्रीजिंग. देन लास्ट 3 इयर्स द प्रॉफिट, वी हैव सीन द सेल. समटाइम क्या होता है, समटाइम व्हाट्स हैपन, सेल इज द इंक्रीजिंग but profit is the down. It means it is the dangerous for me, because profit sale is the going or profit is the down. What is the best thing? Sale should be up and profit should be up. Then it is the best scenario. So we have to see also sale and profit and quarter profit. We have also to search, and after that we have to see the what is the PAT, profit after tax, whether it is the 10%, whether it is the 20%, whether it is the 30%. Sometime whenever you are going to any general store, okay, and they you have purchased the chocolate of the 50 rupees. If you say यार कुछ डिस्काउंट दे दो, तो जैसे कि सर इसमें तो कुछ बचता ही नहीं है, आई कैन नॉट गिव द डिस्काउंट, एंड दे आर सेलिंग चॉकलेट ऑन द एमआरपी. इफ दे आर सेइंग कि देयर इज नो मार्जिन, 2% 1% का मार्जिन बचता है, आई कैन नॉट गिव द डिस्काउंट. इफ यू आर सीइंग कि इन द बैलेंस शीट यू फाइंड आउट कि एनी कंपनी हैज द margin of the 1%, 2%, 3%, so never think to invest in that kind of the company. रीजन 1-2% कभी भी अप डाउन हुआ तो ऐसे ही दैट कंपनी विल बी वाइप आउट. वो कंपनी कभी भी सरवाइव नहीं कर सकता है. तो जो जनरल स्टोर वाले या एनी स्टेशनरी शॉप नियर बाय आवर होम और रेसिडेंस, दे आर सेइंग कि वी डोंट हैव द प्रॉफिट, 1% बचता है, 2% बचता है, तो भाई तेरा दुकान कितना चल रहा है, मतलब कि तू 200 करोड़ का टर्नओवर कर रहा है, जो तेरा 1% की प्रॉफिट पर तू लाखों करोड़ कमा. एटलीस्ट दे हैव द प्रॉफिट ऑफ द एटलीस्ट 10-20%, बट दे नेवर गिव एनी डिस्काउंट. ठीक है, डिस्काउंट देना, to giving the discount or not, that is their option. I'm not saying that they have to give the discount, but if any business has the profit of really in 1%, 2%, 3%, I will say कि never invest in that kind of the business. And cash flow, as I have told to you, what is the cash flow? Suppose that any company has the 100 crore, 200 crore plus amount. It means agar there is a something like lockdown, there is a something like government policy, there is some problem is coming, then they have the enough cash where they can give the salary to employee, they can enjoy taxation or each and everything. So your money as the investment will not die. So you have to understand what is the cash flow. Now, company fundamental, as I have told, in the last 4 years, it was the 4,000 crore, 6,000 crore, and then 2023, it is approx 8,000 crore. ठीक है, 100-200 crore exact. I am not giving the exact figure to you, but it is the around 8,000 crore. So it means कि every time, every year, it is a growing. So it is the best sign for us. Now, P ratio, मतलब one share is earning around 35 rupees to 38 rupees. It is called the price earning ratio. Whatever we have the price, like 2 rupees का share है मेरा, तो 35 times they will provide the earning to us. last quarter में they have the sale of the 1800 crore. It means कि once they have the last quarter 1800 turnover or sale, then in the balance 3 quarter they can earn around 9000 crore. That will be the again exceeding 8000 crore. It means the sale is upside. Then gross profit is the 40%. This is a very good sign. And quarter profit is also very good. And PAT is around 20 to 30%. मतलब कि whatever they have the expenditure, any kind of the expenditure, salary, office, depreciation, and manufacturing, each and everything we reduce. So if they have sold 100 rupees, then they have the profit after tax is the 20 rupees. So it is a very good company as per data. Cash flow is also very good, positive cash flow. Then we have to see the company turnover is the coming from the export or domestic. Company raw material is coming from India or outside India. Like China से सबसे ज़्यादा we purchase the goods. And large customer, who is the large customer? Promoter sales, how much they have the promoter sales, and what is the brand value. So we will see each and every aspect in case of Blue Jet. Like in the Blue Jet, they have the export 85%. Whatever they have the turnover, they are uh, receiving export turnover from the 85% in export. Suppose it means Blue Jet has the 100 rupees in the revenue. The 85% is coming from export and only 15% coming from India side. And almost 90% raw material they are purchasing from China. This is the bad signal. Reason is that you are aware that India has some issue with the China, or in the international there is the war, etc. Then it is something like there is some issue, and they have the large customer base is the 75%, and every share is held by promoter right now. Then have seen each and everything. Now it is your turn. You have to take decision whether I have to buy or not. So if you now, I will say a future plan, and in the last we have to see the future plan. So the company had the future plan to introduce the new product. They have the expansion plan, and as well as they are thinking to invest around 300 crore in the new plan. It means if they have the some market. Otherwise, if they don't have the market, they will not install any factory or new expansion. So this kind of the thing you have to think, you have to study, you have to understand before making any investment in any IPO. So now I will say ki if you have any question, you can ask, or if you have any feedback, or if you have learned something from my side in the today scenario, so I welcome you to express your view, and it will give me the feedback, or you can say the encouragement to me कि I can take such kind of the session in the next time also. Nupurji, you can stop live so participant can ask question.
Yes, Manish ji, that was an awesome presentation. Like, I'm totally blank about all this stuff, but you explained it very simply. So that was really awesome. Thank you so much.
Yeah. So actually my mission, or you can say my aim is that कि जैसे you are not a financial guy, even I am the chartered accountant. In spite of that, I have to understand lots of things. So
Right.
mostly I make the any PPT or presentation to anybody, because I know कि if anybody is not coming from the finance side, so how I can make them understand, so they don't have the कि यार puzzle हो गया, I am not able to understand, ये चीज कम से कम ना हो.
So it was very clear. Absolutely.
Thank you, ma'am.
So,
Yeah.
anyone would like to ask any questions or share anything about the session?
Sharing anything about session, or asking any like related to IPO or share market, anything.
Manish ji, I'm sorry I came in a little late.
Okay.
Acha, I wanted to ask you, how do you know whether the IPO shares are overvalued?
Overvalue that you have to suppose that you want to purchase Blue Jet, as I have given the example to the Blue Jet healthcare. Okay, so
Blue
it
chip.
is coming from the healthcare sector. we have to find, we have to go 3 to 4 website like Economics Time hai, Money Control hai, there is the some website like Screener hai, Trading View hai, when you can see the any other medical or pharmaceutical company. Suppose that you have put what is the price of the Medanta, what is the price of the Fortis Hospital, what is the price of the Sun Pharma, what is the price of the any other pharmaceutical company. Okay, so they will provide and in the below they provide the industry comparison. Is Sun Pharma, what is the P ratio, what is the valuation, and according to that you will see ki, okay, Sun Pharma is a very good company and it is working for the last 30 to 40 years and their P is only 20 rupees, or healthcare P is the 36 rupees. It means it is overvalued. Well, according to the industry we have to find out. Suppose that in your friend circle you have passed out from the one same college and everyone is earning around 20 lakh rupees per annum, and one friend has in earning 40 lakh rupees, 80 lakh rupees. Might be possible they, उसका बहुत अच्छा opportunity, he got the very good opportunity, but that cannot be benchmark is that if your every friend is earning around 20 lakh rupees, so benchmark is the 20 lakh rupees, not, or might be possible there is a some student who didn't get good opportunity and he's still struggling in the 10 lakh rupees. So that we have to benchmark with the market कि उस सेक्टर में मार्केट का क्या प्राइस वैल्यू है, and that scale is provided by the various वेबसाइट लाइक इकोनॉमिक्स टाइम है, मनी कंट्रोल है, स्क्रीनर है, ट्रेडिंग व्यू है, और यू कैन सी द लॉट्स ऑफ द वेबसाइट दे आर प्रोवाइडिंग द इंफॉर्मेशन रिलेटेड टू दैट. तो वहां से आपको मिल जाएगा कि वेदर इट इज द ओवर वैल्यू और अंडर वैल्यूड.
You're saying that on these websites, they will tell you whether it is overvalued or undervalued.
या तो संधू व्हाट आई डू कि जस्ट मैं आपको ना एक मिनट यहीं पर शेयर करके दिखाई देता हूँ. जस्ट वेट फॉर 2 मिनट. ठीक है, गिव मी द 2 मिनट्स. लेट मी शेयर कि व्हाट आई वांट टू से एंड हाउ यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट. या गिव मी 2 minutes.
So, did you already show this in the?
No. Today I have not shown that particular thing, but I can share. Just stay with me. Just give me 1 minute.
Acha, is there also any standard way to normalize the prices, so that you can compare the prices, because each company shares are different, right?
Yeah, definitely. Each company share is the different. Suppose that I have given the example of the Blue Jet Healthcare. It is the pharmaceutical company. Just I am taking the pharmaceutical company industry. Okay, just 1 second.
Okay, suppose the PE ratio is below or above. So
just I'm now you are seeing the my screen with the Sun Pharmaceutical Industry. Okay. Yeah, so it is the screener. It is a website is the screener.in, yeah, screener.com. Okay. Then when you will go in the downside, then it will the peer comparison. Now you are seeing the peer comparison. It is given for Sun Pharma का क्या current price, फिर again it is coming the current price कि 111 है, सिप्ला का ये है, फिर PU ratio. तो you are seeing कि सन फार्मा का 30 है PE ratio, सिप्ला का it is 26, डॉक्टर रेड्डी का 17 और अरबिंदो फार्मा का 24. ये सब इट मीन्स कि जो बड़ी बड़ी कंपनियां है जिसका वी आर टेकिंग द मेडिसिन वो 20 to 30 पर है, बट ब्लू जेट इज कमिंग इन द 36. इट मीन्स कि इट इज द ओवर वैल्यूड. तो ये हमें पता चलता है. और इवन व्हेन यू विल कम तो यहाँ पर यू कैन इट इज सेइंग showing only 7 company. So if you click on the pharmaceutical company और ब्लॉक डॉट यहाँ पर इट इज द ब्लू. व्हेन यू क्लिक तो यहाँ पर आपको यू विल गेट द 50 to 60 70 कंपनी वट एवर द फार्मास्यूटिकल में है. देन यू विल फाइंड आउट कि एक दो कंपनी है, जैसे एक है लॉरेंस लैब, इसका 53% 53 रुपीज का पी रेशियो है. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट सबका एवरेज 30 के आसपास है. तो दैट वी कैन फाइंड आउट कि ओवर वैल्यूड है या अंडर वैल्यूड है.
अच्छा, just by checking PE ratio you come to know whether it's overvalued or not.
Yeah. So suppose that any company is coming the overvalued, let's assume. So
that means the it should be above the average of the industry.
Yeah, definitely. And suppose that it is overvalued 10%, then you can think, चलो 10% है तो I can make investment. रीजन की 10% फ्लक्चुएशन हो सकता है, बट अगर overvalued is the 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, then it is the signal कि नहीं इसमें इन्वेस्ट मत करो, या if you invest then it is the problem, आपको एक प्रॉब्लम आएगा. ठीक है, that I want to say.
But see, like there was that LIC investment, right? IPO, in which it was overvalued, I think, right?
Definitely.
Many times. So,
Hmm.
but people didn't know. People thought, okay, this is a great thing and all investment, we should invest.
Actually, in the
So, how would you know that it is not a good?
agree sir. Actually with LIC it was the emotion कि LIC was the coming the 60 years 70 years back. Okay, it is the government company, तो ये कंपनी कभी डूबेगी नहीं और हमारा पैसा डबल ट्रिपल करके निकलेगा. दैट वाज द इमोशन. तो इन स्टॉक मार्केट नेवर वर्क विथ इमोशन, यू हैव टू ऑलवेज अप्लाई योर माइंड. रीजन इमोशन डजंट वर्क, ओनली फिगर और योर माइंड वर्क इन स्टॉक मार्केट.
Hmm. So, उसमें तो would we have seen that P ratio is high in that? उसमें overvalued है?
जब आपने बोल दिया ना तो लेट मी चेक विद LIC. मैं यहाँ पर एक बार देख लेता हूँ लाइफ इंश्योरेंस कंपनी. जस्ट वन सेकेंड. पीयर कंपैरिजन में देख लेते हैं. या पीयर कंपैरिजन में नाउ इट इज द नाउ करंट प्राइस इज द 606, देन पी रेशियो इज द 8.4. ओके, HDFC लाइफ का 70 80 82. इट मींस कि अभी अभी काफी कम पी रेशियो है इन द लाइफ इंश्योरेंस. बट ये ड्यू टू सम रीजन, मतलब कि माइट बी पॉसिबल ये अगले 2-4 सालों में हो सकता है ग्रोथ कर जाए. ठीक है, क्योंकि बाकी इफ वी सी द SBI ICICI प्रूडेंशियल लोम्बार्ड, तो इनका जो पी रेशियो है 37 82 70 88 है. उस कंपेरिजन में हमारा LIC काफी कम है. माइट बी पॉसिबल 1-2 सालों के बाद काफी इंक्रीज कर जाए. लेकिन आप ये देखोगे कि इसका जो प्राइसिंग है इट हैज बीन ओपन अराउंड 950, और 5 इयर्स में आप देख लोगे जिस दिन से ये आप यहाँ से शुरुआत हुआ इसके बाद ये डाउन ही हुआ. कभी भी ये उसके लेवल पर आया नहीं. और अभी जो स्क्रीन यहाँ पर जो मेरा कर्सर पर ये जो मूव कर रहा है इट इज द डाउन साइड. तो कभी कभी डाउन हो जाता है. बट जब ये कुछ लोगों का व्हेन LIC IPO हैज कम, तो सम एक्सपर्ट इज सेइंग कि इट इज ओवर वैल्यू नॉट टू इन्वेस्ट. ठीक है, जिन लोगों ने इन्वेस्ट किया बिकॉज दे आर अवेयर कि ये गवर्नमेंट कंपनी है, इट इज द पब्लिक, मतलब कि 40-50 सालों का भरोसा है LIC, जीवन के साथ भी जीवन के बाद भी. तो बस हो गया जीवन के बाद. तो ये कुछ होता है उसका नोबडी कैन गिव द एग्जैक्ट आंसर. बट अभी ये प्रॉब्लम है. और वट एवर आई हैव इट वाज द माई जस्ट अवेयरनेस सेशन कि आप इस तरीके से देखना शुरू करो. और हर शेयर कैन नॉट बी गुड और परफेक्ट इन द ईच एंड एवरी एस्पेक्ट. कहीं ना कहीं आपको कॉम्प्रोमाइज करना पड़ेगा इफ यू वांट टू इन्वेस्ट.
ठीक है, थैंक यू.
या कैलाश सर, आपका कोई क्वेश्चन?
नहीं, और ये सेशन बहुत बढ़िया रहा, बोल रहे हो, समझ में आ गया.
चलो सर. Nupur ma'am, are you here? So ठीक है everyone, now it is I'm going to end this session, and if you have any question, everyone has my number, or even you can put question on WhatsApp group, so I can provide the answer if you have any specific question or anything related to share market, related to IPO. Yeah, so thank you everyone to be the part of this session.